Hi guys, welcome to Bill. If you guys are new to our channel then don't forget to subscribe, like and share. This will help us to bring more innovative content like this. So guys, in this video we are going to unbox Nokia 105 and I will give my first impression on this phone. And guys, note that this is the 4th edition of Nokia 105. Without much delay, let's start. So guys, this is the box of Nokia 105 and as you guys can see on the front side of the box we have given Nokia 105 mobile image over here, and on the top right corner they have given the Nokia logo, and at the left side they have written as Nokia 105. At the bottom they have written as 4th edition. Also at the bottom right they have mentioned that replacement guaranteed. Now let's see what is there on the left side of the box. They have given Nokia 105 and they have also written 4th edition. Let's check out the right side. There is barcode scanner and they have written the model number, that is Nokia 105TA1304SS. Also they have written as made in India. Now let's see what is there on the right side of the box. On the right side of the box they have given the images of Nokia 105. As you guys can see, they have given the phone in different colors: blue, pink and black. Then just to the right side of these images they have given the specification of this phone. It has 1.77 inch, that is 4.50 cm display. Also it supports 2000 contacts and it has a micro USB connector. It also has FM radio, but you need a headset for it. Also, you can play some free games on this phone. Now let's see what is there on the bottom of the box. They have mentioned the name and address of the manufacturer. This phone is manufactured by Rising Stars Mobile India Private Limited in Tamil Nadu and it is marketed by HMD Global in Gurgaon, Haryana. Also, they have given the model number of this phone, that is TA1304/Nokia 105SS, and the month and year of manufacturing is level 2020. The MRP of this phone is 1349 and it has 2 watts of charging and it also has 210 to 240 volts of voltage. Now guys, let's open the box and see how the phone looks. So guys, this is a Nokia 105 handset. We'll keep it aside. Now let's see what is there else in the box. We have a battery over here. We need to plug this battery inside the mobile phone. This is BL5CB battery and it is 800 mAh battery and it has 3.73 volts capacity. Guys, this is made in India battery. Let's see what is there else in the box. We have a power adapter over here. This is a micro USB power adapter. The quality of this adapter is really good. So a thumbs up from my side for this adapter. Guys, they have mentioned that this adapter is made in India. Let's see what is there else in the box. Guys, we have a quick guide over here. They have given lot of information. I don't think so we have time over here to read all this information. They have also given some steps to insert SIM card. So let's keep this aside and let's have a look at our phone. Guys, let's plug the battery inside the phone. As you guys can see, they have clearly written as it is made in India and it is designed by HMD Global. We have a SIM card connector over here, so you need to plug the SIM card over here. And once you plug the SIM card, just plug this battery this way. Then press the power button. Once you power it on, you get the Nokia logo and followed by the Nokia tune. The tune is really awesome to hear. You need to then select your language. In my case, I will select English. Then you need to set your time. I will skip this process. Guys, you can see once you power it on and set the phone up, it will show the date and time on the phone. And just below that, you can navigate to alarm, menu or go to section. Under go to section, they have given some shortcuts for locking the phone, setting, then alarm clock, flashlight on, radio, snake game, calculator and other things. Under alarm, you can set alarm, time setting and change the tone of alarm. Under menu, you can navigate to different sections like call log, contacts, clock, radio, messages, flashlight, calculator, calendar, snake game, fun zone. Under fun zone, let's see what is there. We cannot open the fun zone because we have not plugged the SIM card. Then we have another game over here called Airstrike and racing attack game, Sky Gift, Sky Gift. Danger Dash. These all are games, guys. Tetris, Nitro Racing, Ninja Up, Settings. So let's navigate to settings and see what is there. Under settings, you can change the tone setting. Like if you don't like the Nokia tune, then you can change over here. Guys, this retro Nokia tune is really good. And then you can increase or decrease the volume. Then if you want the vibrating option on the phone while you get call, then you can switch it on or off. Then you can also set message alert tone. You can also set the keypad tones. This is the volume setup for the keypad tones. Under display setting, you can set the wallpapers. Currently, you get only 3 wallpapers. Then you can set the backlight intensity, how much dark or brighter you want, and you can also set the timeout. Guys, from my side, this phone is really lighter in terms of weight and it is a good quality phone. Nokia has not compromised on the build quality of this phone. As you guys can see on top, they have given a micro USB connector to plug this power brick. This is how you connect the micro USB connector to charge this Nokia 105. Then you have a torch over here. See, we can turn it on and turn it off. Then you have a power jack over here. Then you also get 3.5 mm audio connector to connect your headset to listen songs and FM. Guys, this is a good phone for day-to-day usage and it will give you a good cellular reception while you talk on the phone, and it has a good network coverage. So a thumbs up for this phone from my side. Nokia has done a really good job in designing this phone. Guys, the quality of this keypad over here is really good. I like the feedback that you get once you type on this phone. Guys, you get the traditional snake game on this phone. All the 90s kids will love this phone. So guys, If you want to buy this phone, then I will definitely say you can go ahead and buy this phone. This is a good quality phone. So a thumbs up from my side. So guys, that's all in this video. If you guys like this video, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share. This will help us to stay motivated. Thank you.